This is what I do when I have risotto left over. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making risotto cake, frittata di riso. This is not a recipe, it's what I do when I have leftover risotto. If you have leftover pasta, you can do the same, and it is called pasta affrittata. Mushroom risotto, Milanese risotto, any risotto will do. There are no measurements or strict rules, and it is very simple to make. This is for about 1 or 2 portions of cooked risotto. In a large bowl, thoroughly mix leftover risotto with 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, ensuring the ingredients are well combined. Over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a large frying pan. You can add a tablespoon of olive oil to make sure the butter doesn't burn. Carefully pour the risotto mixture into the center of the skillet using a spatula to spread it evenly across the pan, forming a single large cake. Allow the risotto cake to cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes or until the bottom forms a golden brown crust, indicating it's crisped up nicely. To flip the cake, place a large lid over the frying pan, then carefully turn the skillet upside down, transferring the cake onto the lid. Then, gently slide the cake back into the skillet to cook the other side. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat until the second side is also golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, transfer the large risotto cake onto a cutting board or a serving plate. Cut the risotto cake into slices, similar to how you would serve a frittata or a pie, and serve immediately with a nice green salad. For more recipes with rice, check out the playlist above. Discover our Italian mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your Guardian Chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe! I love recipes where I can do whatever I want.